My name is Matt Slaminski. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for Xtract, coming to you from Geotab Connect. We've had a lot of customers come by the booth, checking out our Crash Lab simulator, where we really bring what we do with Geotab to life. We'll show you what it looks like now. Here's our Crash Labs. So as much as we would like accidents to not happen, we know that they do. And what Xtract does is we work with Geotab. We are embedded in MyGeotab, and we pull information in real time from the Go device, as well as any dash cam that a fleet may be using. Without any driver interaction, what we do is pull that in and we can give a complete reconstruction of what happened, which promotes safety, as well as mitigate claims costs from the time of accident. Let's see what that looks like. So we just saw the crash in Crash Labs, and now we're able to pull that up on screen. So although this is gamified, what we're able to see is the vehicle here, all of the important information, harsh cornering, harsh braking, the impact here of 8.7 Gs, and the likelihood of injury is extremely high. Again, no interaction from the driver. This is being pulled right from the vehicle through the Go device. In addition, we have a dash cam hooked up here, and in real time, we have pulled that information as well. So a fleet manager can get an alert. They can see exactly what's happened to their driver. They can reach out and make sure that they are okay. But also, they have now the foundations of filing a claim. This has helped our customers reduce their expense by up to 40%. We are an add-in. We are available as an Order Now product. So all the resellers need to do is reach out to us, and they can click the add-on, and it will populate right into your system. Our team will come and do all the necessary training and configurations if required, and you'll be ready to go.